Meet the all-in-one digital product passport platform for total brand protection and transparency. Build trust across your supply chain while managing compliance and customer engagement in real time. Protect your brand with advanced anti-counterfeit, gray market security, and built-in compliance modules. Generate GS1 compliant digital passports and unique QR codes for your products in minutes. Automate inventory management with our digital expiration dashboard to reduce waste and ensure freshness. Track product life cycles geographically. Use heat maps to identify and manage stock before expiry. Execute precision recalls with granular data. Identify every affected batch and location instantly. Transform complex supply chain data into actionable insights to optimize your operational performance. Integrate IoT sensors for real-time monitoring of temperature, location, and product health during transit. Ensure cold chain integrity for sensitive goods with time-stamped, unalterable digital product passports. Deploy patent-pending biometric stickers and modified QR codes to eliminate counterfeiting across your supply chain. Protect your brand. Build total trust. Start your digital passport journey today.